Alright, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a password in Java, and I've created the frame here and I've imported the swing and the event. I'll be needing action listeners for this, so here I've just created the basic frame, and what I'm going to do by starting off is I'm going to go password field, and I'll call it pass is equal to new password field, and I'll put 10 as the length of it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a string which contains the password, and the password will be anything. I'll just make it pass. Okay, so normally in a program what you do is you'd make this string protected by putting it in a different file, not in the source code, or you would lock the source code so people can't see your password. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to create an action listener for this pass. So I'll go pass dot set echo char. What this does is it makes it so that when the user types in, the star will show up instead of the actual text. So that way the user won't be able to see what they're typing in. And I'm going to make my action listener here, so static class okay, so in this action listener what I'm going to do is I'll go password field input is equal to password field, and I'll go get source. Okay, and I forgot to put the action event E. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a char array which is going to hold the password. So all you do is you go input dot get password. Okay, so this just gets the password from this input, this password field, and stores it in this char array. Now from this character we need to go to a string, so I'm gonna just change this to a string, and it's really easy, just one line. So this just changes this char to a string, or this array to a string, and now we can start comparing if this password what the user entered is the same as this string, this original password we had. So I just put a couple if statements. If p dot equals password, then it's the right password. So you can just go option pane dot show message dialog, and you can just go correct, or you can just put whatever you want. And else, in other words, else if the entered password was not correct, then you can just put incorrect. Okay, and that's all you need to do, and just correct that source. And finally, you can add this action listener to this pass.add action listener new AL. Okay, so this adds this action listener to this pass, and basically you're done. So this is your original password, the correct password, and it just, I'll make a label here too, just for enter password. And okay, and I'll make a label panel as well, and add this frame.add panel, and go down here and just go panel.add label border layout dot west. And you also have to add this pass, which holds the actual password. So now if you run the program, it should give so now that you run the program, it gives you an enter password, and you can enter your password. I'll put in PASS, and you get correct. And if you enter anything else, you get incorrect. So it just tests, it's basic testing if this pass is the same as the other one. If the original pass is the same as the input, then it allows it, otherwise it just says incorrect. Alright, so, and that is a basic password program in Java.